So what's up guys, I'm Matt from TechMatch and today I will show you how you can fix this problem. The program can't start because VC runtime 140.dll is missing from your computer. So if you are having a similar problem like this one, then the problem is really simple and I will show you the solution. So let's get started, shall we? So first of all you have to do is you have to download a software, this software exactly. So how you can download it? First of all, you have to just go to this link. I will provide the link in the description below. This is the official link for Microsoft Visual C++ in 2015 redistributable update 3C. I will provide the link in the description, so don't forget to check that out. So in the link you have to just click on download, and then here you have to select 886 or 64. If your system is 64-bit, then select here, or if your system is 32-bit, then select here. So how you can know this? You can know this from just right clicking on your this PC icon and then click on properties. So here as you can see it is saying 64-bit operating system. So now I know that my operating system is 64-bit. So if yours is saying 32-bit or 86-bit, then just download the 32-bit version. Okay, so here just click here and then click next. It will be like 14 point something MB. So just download it. I have already downloaded the software. As you can see, this is the software. Then here just double click on the software. Here hit I agree and then click install. So then here select yes, and now as you can see that setup progress. Now it is installing. So all you have to do is after installing this software, then you have to just restart your computer and your problem should be fixed. So what should you do if you have already installed the software on your device? So in that case what you have to do is you have to just download this file again as I showed you, and then here you will see something like this one, like it will say repair. So you have to click on this repair button and it will automatically repair the Microsoft Visual C++, and then your 140.dll problem should be fixed. So there is another method for solving this problem. If this first method works for you, then just enjoy, and if this method doesn't work for you, then I will provide another videos link in the I button, so don't forget to check that out as well. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video. I'm Matt from TechMatch and I'm signing out.